Hi Ram, welcome to EVS class. Kids, I hope you all must have practiced the new words which we have done in a previous session. Yes? So today again we are going to revise that new words and then we'll move on to a lesson. Okay? It is a very small lesson. We'll start with the lesson and then we'll do activity part also. Okay? So let's begin with the new words first. We'll start with the new words. First new word, directions. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. Next word, position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position. Next word, north. N-O-R-T-H. North. Next word, south. S-O-U-T-H. South. Next word, east. E-A-S-T. East. Next word, west. W-E-S-T. West. Next word is map. M-A-P. Map. Next word, bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Next word, side. S-I-D-E. Side. Next word is blowing. B-L-O-W-I-N-G. Blowing. Next word, Windvane. W-I-N-D-V-A-N-E. Windvane. Next word, metal. M-E-T-A-L. Metal. Next word, object. O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. Next word, wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Now kids, we have seen some of the new words. Now let's begin with the chapter. Okay? Now we'll start with some introduction. When we want to find out where a place is, we talk about how far it is and on the what side it is. Yes or no? Suppose you are searching your friend's house or you are searching for some place. What do? What do you think about first? We talk how far it is from our place, how far it is from our house, yes or no, and how much time it takes to reach that place, okay, and on which side that place is, whether it is on the right side, left side, east, west, yes or no. All these questions come in our mind, okay, on which side it is, east, west, north, south, yes or no. So these are nothing but these are known as directions, okay. So today the name of our chapter is directions, okay. So in this chapter we are going to study about 4 main directions, okay. You all must be knowing this. Which are the 4 main directions? East, west, north, south, okay. So we'll study about this. Let's start. We may say that the place is is on the right or the left, up or down. These are all directions. They tell us the position of a place or a thing. Suppose in your bedroom, suppose one book is kept on above, up on the shelf. So how you will say it is up? On the left hand side corner, on the right hand side corner. This means you are telling the position. If suppose the book is on the table, so how you will say it is down on the table? It is towards the left hand side corner. It is to the right hand side corner. Like this you say. That means we are telling the direction where the exact thing is being placed or where the exact that place is. Okay. Suppose you are going somewhere. You are finding for a temple, okay, you are going to a temple and you are not exactly getting that place. So how you will tell your friend, it is on the left hand side of the road, yes. So these are all known as the position. Okay, this is the position of that place or a thing. Okay, so it is known as a direction which we give where the exact thing or a place is. Okay, we can also give direction their proper names, that are north, south, east and west. There are four main directions. Yes kids, I already explained you that there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. Yes, we have given the names to the directions. Okay, north, south, east and west. Now just tell me, you all must be knowing that sun rises from the east and in the evening it sets towards the west. So the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. If you face the rising sun, the north is your left side. Suppose you're facing towards the sun rising side. That means towards the east side. Sun rises from the east. So if you're facing towards the east, so towards your, where you will face your left hand, on your left hand side, it will be north side. On your left hand side means your left hand will be facing towards the north. Your left hand side will be on the north side and your right hand side is south. Okay. In front it is east. On your back it is west. On your left hand side it is north and your south it is south. Right hand side is your south. This was a very small chapter kids. Now based on this we are going to do one activity. Okay, so let's begin with the activity part, and as you all know that what you will do, you will copy down this activity questions in your EVS notebook. These are your notes of this chapter. Okay, what you will do, on the top you will write the lesson name, that is direction. Okay, and then start writing the questions. Again and again teacher is telling this, these are the notes of this chapter. You will write these notes in your EVS notebook. Okay, so let's begin with the first activity, that is fill in the blank. Okay, we will start with the fill in the blanks question. 6 fill in the blanks questions are there and you are going to write down these questions in your EVS notebook. These are the notes of this chapter, that is direction chapter notes. Okay, let's begin. First question. There are dash main directions. Just now we have studied how many directions are there? Yes, there are 4 main directions: east, west, north and south. Is it clear? Second question. A dash is the drawing of a place on a piece of paper. Suppose you are finding out something, we draw a map. Okay, so dash means, what answer you will write here? Map. A map is the drawing of a place on a piece of a paper. Okay, number 3 question. Direction tell us the dash of a place or a thing. Suppose you are knowing the correct direction. On this direction this thing or this place is being kept. So it tells us about the, yes, it tells us about the position. Direction tells us the position of a place or a thing. Is it clear? Next question. The sun rises in the dash. From where the sun rises? Yes, the sun rises from the east. The sun sets in the, correct, west. A dash is a metal object in which the wind is blowing. Now, if you will see your textbook, there is one object shown in the yellow box. It is known as a wind vane. It is known as a wind vane. Wind vane helps us to show the proper directions. Okay, it is helpful for showing the direction, from which direction the rain or the storm is coming. Okay, so wind vane, it is known as a wind vane. That metal object is known as a wind vane. Okay, now next question is answer the following questions. Let's begin. First question. Name the four main directions. Which are the four main directions? Yes, but how you will write the answer for this? Let's see. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Repeat after me. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Second question. What directions tell us? Now what directions tell us? Let's see. Direction tell us the position of a place or a thing. Yes or no? Repeat after me. Directions tell us the position of a place or a thing. Yes or no? Next question. Where does the sun rise and sun sets? Yes, we all know sun rise from the east and sets in the west. So how you are going to write the answer? Let's see. Sun rise in the east and sets in the west. Sunrise in the east and sets in the west. Now kids, we have seen some of the fill in the blanks. 6 fill in the blanks we have seen and 3 question answers of this chapter. Now what you all are going to do? You all are going to copy down this fill in the blanks and question answers in your EVS notebook. This is notes. These are the notes of this chapter. These are the notes of this lesson. Direction lessons notes. Okay. And what you are going to do? You are going to practice this fill in the blanks and question answers for your exam. Is it clear? I hope you will practice this. Okay kids. See you in the next period with new chapter. Till then, thank you.